Welcome to the best picks. The best knife sharpener kit is probably one of the most essential tools in any kitchen, ensuring your blades remain razor-sharp for effortless slicing, dicing, and chopping, transforming your cooking experience from frustrating to fantastic with precision and ease. Number 5. Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening System. Discover the difference premium quality makes. Our whetstones are crafted from superior materials for exceptional cutting performance, ensuring your blades are always at their best. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for perfect sharpening. It features a double-sided whetstone, a stable bamboo base, and an angle guide for precision. Safety is paramount. Our non-slip bamboo base and included angle guide ensure the stone stays put and you maintain the correct angle for safe, consistent sharpening. Using our sharpening system is incredibly simple. It requires only water, eliminating the need for expensive oils and making cleanup a breeze. From kitchen knives to pocket knives, scissors, and even chisels, this versatile tool can sharpen almost any blade. It's the perfect addition for home or professional use. Looking for a practical and impressive gift? This unparalleled sharpening tool is ideal for chefs, hobbyists, or anyone who appreciates a razor-sharp edge. What we like. This whetstone kit offers a premium sharpening experience with its dual grit stone and included angle guide. The non-slip bamboo base ensures safety and stability during use. If you are a beginner looking for a comprehensive and easy-to-use system to bring your knives back to life, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The included angle guide is a game changer. By far the most difficult part about sharpening knives is keeping the angle consistent, and this little thing makes it dead simple. The dual grit design is practical and efficient. The 1000 grit side restores a working edge quickly, while the 6000 grit side refines and polishes it to a high level of sharpness suitable for precision kitchen tasks. The non-slip base provides stability during sharpening, which is especially helpful for beginners. Number 4. Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener. Introducing the ultimate sharpening tool for sportsmen. It's designed to be a complete and compact solution for sharpening your knives anywhere, whether you're in the field, at home, or in the shop. This versatile tool includes diamond plates, ceramic rods, and a leather strap, all with built-in sharpening guides. The ceramic rod even rotates to offer both coarse and fine honing surfaces, plus a special groove for sharpening fish hooks. Achieve a perfect edge with a consistent 20 to 25 degree angle, customizable with 5 different abrasives. It's designed to be self-contained, requiring no tools or assembly, making it perfect for maintaining a sharp edge on the go, while hiking or camping. We stand behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. Each sharpener is meticulously designed and quality checked at our facility in Oregon to ensure the highest standards. This sharpener is proudly designed, engineered, and calibrated in Ashland, Oregon. We ensure our products are sourced from the highest caliber manufacturers, both in the USA and globally. What we like. Designed for the outdoorsman, this sharpener is incredibly compact and durable for field use. It includes diamond plates, ceramic rods, and a leather strap, plus a unique groove for sharpening fish hooks. If you spend a lot of time camping, hiking, or fishing and need a reliable tool to maintain your blades on the go, this is the one for you. What people say. The sharpener is very easy to use and sharpens knives quickly. It comes with multiple grit stones, allowing for a variety of sharpening needs. The non-slip base keeps the sharpener stable while in use. Number 3. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Kit. Achieve razor-sharp edges with unparalleled ease and control. This tool is designed to make manual sharpening faster, simpler, and more precise than ever before. Easily adjust the sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees in single-degree increments. Reprofile any blade or create a perfectly polished edge, even on serrated knives. Quickly switch between coarse and fine diamond, and fine ceramic stones. Customize your sharpening needs with this versatile abrasive system. The included V-block clamp securely holds your knife in place. This ensures consistent and safe sharpening every time you use it. Meticulously designed and quality checked at our Oregon facility. We proudly stand behind the superior craftsmanship of our products. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive 3-year warranty. We are confident in the durability and performance of this sharpener. What we like. Precision is paramount with this sharpening system, offering easily adjustable angles from 15 to 30 degrees. Its 3-sided abrasive rod allows quick changes between grits, and the secure V-block clamp ensures consistent sharpening. If you value accuracy and want to customize the edge on all your pocket and kitchen knives, this adjustable system is ideal. What people say. It's compact so it stores easy, quick to set up, and has smooth operation. Got all my knives nice and sharp fairly quick. The build quality seems quite good. The sharpener feels sturdy and solid, and I had no issues with it moving around when I didn't want it to. Assembly and disassembly is a breeze with the exception that the snap-on base is a challenge to unsnap. The parts all work as advertised, and I took a knife that had a somewhat abused edge and ended up with a very nice, flat bevel that feels very sharp. The Work Sharp Precision Adjust is indeed very easy to use. The knife holder has some flexibility to it, but to use this sharpener correctly, you do not apply pressure to the stone on the blade. Let the stone do the work. You just move it back and forth. The flex therefore becomes negligible. Number 2. Work Sharp 2 Malawian Kwacha's Knife and Tool Sharpener. Meet the all-new MK.2, an evolution of our original sharpener. It's designed to sharpen every knife you own and handle all your tool sharpening needs, making the process faster and more precise than ever before. Its flexible belts adapt to any blade's edge, perfect for grinding and sharpening a wide variety of tools. From outdoor gear and kitchen knives to scissors and serrated blades, it handles them all with ease. The powerful 2-speed motor provides the control and strength needed for demanding tasks. Whether you're sharpening axes or lawnmower blades, it delivers consistent results. Achieve perfect edges with the integrated edge guide, which supports your blade from heel to tip. This ensures a smooth and easy sharpening experience for all your knives. Proudly designed, engineered, and calibrated in Oregon, USA. We ensure the highest quality and stand behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. This is the ultimate sharpening solution for your home and workshop. Experience the difference that precision engineering makes for all your cutting tools. What we like. For a faster and more powerful sharpening solution, this electric sharpener is a game changer. Its flexible belts can handle a wide variety of blades, from kitchen knives to outdoor tools, and the 2-speed motor provides extra control. If you need to sharpen many knives or tougher tools quickly and efficiently, this professional-grade electric sharpener is your best bet. What people say. The adjustable speed and angle guides make it easy to get professional results without guesswork. The MK2 does a great job at putting the blade exactly where it needs to be to get that perfect burr and then again to get that laser-sharp edge we usually only see on high-dollar knives or knives the first time we use them. It got all my dull knives razor-sharp in minutes, whereas previously it would take hours. Number 1. Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening Stone. Experience superior cutting performance with our premium quality whetstones. We meticulously source the finest materials for a cut above the rest. This superior bundle includes everything you need: a dual-grit whetstone with a non-slip base, a flattening stone, and an ebook guide. It's perfect for making even the dullest knives incredibly sharp. Revitalize dull or damaged blades with just one use. Enjoy faster cutting, easier food prep, and reduced fatigue. Our dual-sided whetstone features a 400 grit side for reshaping and a 1000 grit side for sharpening. The included flattening stone ensures a perfectly level surface for optimal results. No honing oil is needed as it's a water stone. From kitchen knives and chef's tools to hunting knives, scissors, and even swords, this versatile sharpener can handle it all. Reprofile or repair any dull blade with ease. What we like. This kit is perfect for bringing severely dull or damaged blades back to their former glory. It includes a dual-grit whetstone, 400, 1000, and a flattening stone to ensure a perfectly level surface. If you have knives that have become very blunt over time or need significant edge repair, this sharpening stone kit will restore their sharpness effectively. What people say. The heavier grit side of the stone sculpts the metal edge while the finer grit side hones the tool to as fine an edge as you would want. For safety while sharpening a blade, the product comes with a rubberized slip-resistant holder to keep it firmly in place when in use. The 1000 grit will get your knives to slide easily through a tomato or pork loin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.